Hello! Congratulations on your new TCL TV. This tutorial will show you how to safely unbox your TCL product to enjoy it straight away. To avoid putting too much pressure on the screen, which can cause it to crack, we recommend two people unbox and assemble TVs larger than 32 inches. Be sure to prepare a soft, even surface like a table covered with a blanket. Cut the packing tape using a box cutter or a sharp knife. Open the top of the box and remove the packing material, stand, legs, instruction manual, remote control, and additional accessories. Lift the TV straight up. Carefully lay the TV flat, screen down, on a large, non-abrasive surface. Remember not to pinch the screen. Instead, hold the TV by the edges. Attach the stand or legs. The stand may differ depending on the TV model. Do not over-tighten the stand screws. You can mount your TV on the wall. You just need a VESA standard mount fitted to your TV size. With your stand securely attached, lift the TV using the grip you used lifting the TV from its box. Place it upright in its final location. Next, follow the manual to plug in the cords to their correct outlets. Remember to insert batteries into your TCL remote. Now you can remove protective film from the screen. Enjoy your new TCL TV. Thank you for watching. If you want to get more information, visit us at tcl.com.